Hello children, how are you all? Today I came with a new lesson. So last class we have done the poem, na? Yes, which poem have we done? Can you remember? Yes, very good. The rabbit. So the poem and grammar part, everything we have completed. Right, Nana? Now, so very interesting one. Very interesting. Of course, all lessons, all poems are very interesting. But here one more specialty is here. Today what I am going to tell, that lesson is originally it is a poem. Originally it is a poem. So that poem is The Giving Tree. Poem name is The Giving Tree. But now that was translated like a lesson, The Boy and a Tree. The Boy and a Tree. So first of all, what are these giving trees? Are the trees are giving trees or taking trees? What is that giving tree? Can you understand what I'm asking? Giving trees. That means trees are always giving something to us, right? In return, are we giving anything to the trees? Water. Water are we giving? Are you creating water? How can you get the water? From the nature. How the water forms from the ground, that is the how we get the rains. Yes, because of the trees only, na? Right? So that means all those are interlinked, that those are in the nature. But are we giving our own to the nature anything? No. One thing we are doing, that is pollution we are creating, which are very harmful to the nature. That pollution we are creating. More than that, nothing we are doing. Right, children? Now see here, the giving trees, that means always they give. First of all, without trees, no oxygen. Without taking food, some days we can. Without drinking water, 1 or 2 days or 1 day, dehydration we get it. That is some day, 1 or 2 days or some hours we can. But without breath, without oxygen, can we live? No. Within minutes, maximum people by practicing it, without taking the breath, they may continue, they may be like that for a few, 1 or 2 minutes or 10 minutes like this, some people by practicing. But generally without taking breath, can we means maximum not at all. Right? So oxygen, this breathing means compulsory oxygen we need it. How can we get oxygen? Yes, from trees only. Without trees we can't. Right, Nana? So now here, that means we cannot separate us from the trees. So always directly or indirectly, we completely depended on the trees only. Depend on trees only. So now see this lesson, The Boy and a Tree. So what is the relation between these two? That is a boy and tree. So see this. Do you like eat apples? So this tree is apple tree. The tree is apple tree. So see that picture, the apple tree. So very yummy apples, red color apples. Now here are some facts related to apples. So not only related to apples, are total trees. So apples are the fruits of apple trees and are one of the most widely grown fruits. Grown fruit trees. So more and more fruit trees means nothing but maximum we have nowadays apple trees. More and more we have, especially in America. If you see apple pick trees like the days like that, they go and they pluck all the fruits. So one day they have that kind of activities to the children also. Parents weekend like that, the parents they go, and even children ask a school activity point of view, apple picking activity like that, they go and they pick the apples from the garden. So many beautiful apple gardens they have, apple gardens in that very easily. So here we can see somewhat big trees like that, but in our weather conditions, apples more, we don't have more apple trees, but cool weather conditions, cool weather places, we have apple trees more and more. So these are one of the most widely grown, so more and more fruit trees we have. So millions of tons of apple are grown every year. Millions of tons. Ton means 1000, there is 100 kgs like this. So millions of tons, that much of apples grown every year. That means how all the people are eating in the world, not only one country. China is the leading producer of apples. So who is producing more apples means nothing but China. So the first place is nothing but China in growing the apples. Okay, Nana. So this is about the apples and apple trees. Now see about the lesson. So see the lesson, all of you, the boy and a tree. So let's start the lesson. A long time ago, yes, general story na. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. Huge means big. Huge means big. A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. So huge means it's a very big tree. And a little boy loved to come and play around it every day. So that is apple tree means, yes, of course, almost it is like the forest area. So forest area means far away from the village like that. So the tree is there. It's a big tree. And it was alone. So the boy always come and play around it every day. Every day the boy visits to that apple tree and he plays there, and the apple tree also enjoys his company. So he climbed up. How can he play? He climbed to the tree top and ate the apples and took a nap under the tree, under the shadow. And he loved the tree, and the tree also loved to play with him. So how can he play means he climbed the tree top. Yes, trees means they can climb it. So he climbed the tree top, ate the apples. Yes. So he wanted to play means, yes, once one game he can climb up the tree, and like that he can enjoy. And one more is whenever he felt hungry, at that time he had eaten all the apples of apple tree, and whenever he felt sleep, so he had taken a short nap in the afternoon. That is a short nap means sleep. So he slept under the shadow like that. Morning to evening he was enjoying with that tree only. So then continuously he was spending the time with the tree. Then he loved the tree very much, and at the same time the tree also loved that boy. And the time went by. So like that time is going on. Time went by. It's going on. And the little boy had grown up, and he no longer played around the tree every day. So time went by, time is going on. So small boy, he is almost 5 years or 7 years. From that he was coming. So the little boy had grown up, and he no longer played around the tree every day. Generally 7 years, 8 years means every day you go to park or some place and you enjoy there, you play there, like that you can. But when you come to 13, 14 years, 15 years, at that time, do you play like the children? No, right? So like that, he had grown up, and he no longer played around the tree every day. Previous, he had come to the tree every day and he played there. But now he was not coming. So one day, the boy came back to the tree and he looked sad. So after long time, one day means he was not coming regularly. So after long time, one day the boy came to the tree and he was looking very sad. So come and play with me, the tree asked the boy. So with the excitement, so the tree asked, my dear boy, come here, come and play with me. The tree asked. So further the boy, what did he give answer? I am no longer a kid. I do not play around trees anymore. That he replied. So what did he say? That I am not a kid to play along with you. So I could not play around the trees because I am not a kid now. I am grown up. That he said. Now I want toys. I need money to buy them. So I want some toys and things. So I need money to buy all those things. That he asked. But for that, what did the tree had given the reply? Sorry, but I do not have money. Oh, my dear boy, I'm very sorry. I do not have money. Yes, you want buy things means needed money, but I don't have money. How can I help you? But you can pick up all my apples and sell them. So you can take all my apples, no problem, and you can sell them. So you will have money. If you take all my apples from the tree and if you take them to the city and there if you sell them, you will get money. So with that you can, whatever you want you can buy. So that the tree suggested. So that is, the boy was so excited. Yes, that's a good idea. Then I can take all the apples and I can sell them like that. He was very much happy and he grabbed all the apples on the tree and left happily. So he grabbed all the apples. Grabbed means grasp suddenly. Grabbed spelling na Grabbed. Grabbed means grasp suddenly. So immediately he understood that and he had taken all the apples immediately and he went away from that place. And so, but you can pick all, the boy was so excited, he grabbed all the apples on the tree and left happily. So with that excitement, he climbed up the tree and immediately he took all the apples and he collected it and he went very happily. The boy never came back after he picked the apples. The tree was sad. So he had taken all the apples. So he should go to the city, he should sell them and he should get the money. With that he should buy the things. He should enjoy all these things. So for that purpose he had taken apples. But immediately he had forgotten about this apple tree. So he didn't come back for some again. So that tree was very sad because it has offered everything to him. But he couldn't come. So that's why it felt very sad. So then, like that it continued. After some years, one day the boy who now turned into a man returned and the tree was excited. Come and play with me, the tree said. So one day, that is almost 15 years, 13, 14 years, like that he came and he had taken all the apples and he went away. So some years till he turned up man, that means 22, 23 years like that. Up to that he didn't come. So after a long time when he came back, at that time he turned like a man and this tree said with excited. So what is the meaning of excited? Happily. So excited means very eager. Excited means very eager. Eagerly or very eager. With full of excited, full of happily. So with eagerness, so it said, come and play with me, the tree said. So whenever the tree saw this man, the boy became man. So come and boy, still it calls boy only. So come and play with me. So that the tree offered. But further the boy, what did he give the answer? I do not have time to play. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. So can you help me? That he asked. So at that time when he needed the money, he came and he requested this tree. He asked the tree. The tree offered its apples. Now he needed some more thing. That's why he came. So what did he need? Yes, come and play means I do not have time to play with you. I am very busy now. So I have to work for my family. That means I have my family. So for them I need to work. So we need a house for shelter. So that is my family and I to stay. We need a shelter. We need a house. Shelter means here house. So can you help me for that? I need house. I want to construct a house. So can you help me for that? That he asked the tree. So further the tree replied, I am very sorry, but I do not have any house. If I have any house, I can give you my house to you. But this is only my house. So, but you can chop off my branches to build you a house. Yes, I have no house, that's why I couldn't. But you can chop off all my branches. So you can chop off. So chop off, a chopped means cut into pieces. You can chop off means cut into pieces. So you can cut all my branches and you can take that. You can construct a house with that. So of course from the tree branches we get wood, na? With that you can construct a house. So that the tree offered. So yeah, my branches to build you a house. So after a long time he came, but the tree was very excited and it offered to come and play with me. But the boy, what did he reply? I am very busy. I have no time to play with you. I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. So that's why, can you help? So further the tree offered its branches, total branches to cut off. So then see what happened. So the man cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. He didn't think anything. Simply he cut down all the branches of the tree and he left that very happily. See, after cutting the branches, how the tree was. So the tree was glad to see him happily, but the man never come back since then. So then he had taken all the branches and away. So then the tree was very happy first because it had given whatever the boy is needed. So the tree was glad to see him happy. He was looking very happy. Na? That's why the tree also very happy. But the man never came back again for long years. Every time like that only. Na? Again he didn't come back for long time. The tree was again lonely and sad one hot summer day. Yes, he had taken all the branches and he didn't come back. So that's why the tree was alone again. And that's why it was very sad. So one hot summer day, the man returned and the tree was delighted. So one hot summer day. So at that time, the man again he came and the tree was very delighted. Delighted means very happy. Delighted means feel very happy. Feel very happy. So he was very happy. The tree was very happy to see the man after long time. So then again it offered, come and play with me, the tree said. So again the same thing. For always whenever the boy comes, come and play with me, come and play with me. Because in the childhood days he always played with the tree. That's why come and play with me. The tree said, I am getting old. So I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat? So whatever he needed most, at that time he was coming to this tree and he was taking from the tree only any purpose. So like that this time also, how can I play with you? I am getting old almost. So how can I play with you? Now I want to relax myself by sailing. Sailing means on the water. That is to go to some other places by visiting the other places on water. So I want to sailing to relax myself. So can you give me a boat? So to sail means compulsory I need a boat, but I don't have boat. So how can I? That's why can you give me a boat? That man asked. For that, use my trunk to build your boat. So simply the tree said, I have no boat, but you can use my trunk. Trunk means the body part of the tree. So that branches cut down and remaining trunk part left over, na? That's why use my trunk to build your boat. So this trunk part if you cut down, yes, this will be helpful to you as a boat. You can take this one that the tree offered. So yes, see how it happened. You can sail far away and be happy. So you want to relax, then only you feel happy means yes, you can cut my trunk also, and you can take that and you can be very happy. So that the tree said. So the man cut the trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. Yes. Whenever the tree offered, immediately he had cut down the total trunk and he had taken that and went for sailing and didn't come back for long time. Didn't come back. So finally the man returned after many years. So he went for sailing now, and getting old, he wanted to relax. So some years, another 10-20 years, almost after 60s only, he came. So, and he said, that is, the man returned after many years. So at that time, the tree said, sorry, my boy, but I do not have anything for you anymore. No more apples for you, the tree said. So, yes, every time whenever this man is coming at that time, come and play with me, like that it offers. But this time nothing is there. Na? That's why whenever the man came, it said, sorry, my dear, I do not have anything to you anymore. So, whatever you wanted, everything I gave. So now I don't have anything. So no more apples for you. So now I cannot offer apples to you. That the tree said. Further the boy replied, I do not have any teeth to bite. The man replied. So don't worry. That is, if you give apples also, I don't have teeth. So how can I eat? I do not eat these apples. So the man replied, no more trunk for you to climb on, the tree said. Climb on, the tree said. So next the tree said, no more trunk also. If I have the trunk, you can climb it on and you can enjoy yourself. But no more trunk also. For that the boy replied, I am too old for that now. So the man said, so I'm too old. Now if you have trunk also, I cannot climb it on because I became old man. How can I climb you on? Never. So I can't. That the old man said. So I really cannot give you anything. The only thing left is dying roots only. Okay, so that is, I want to give something, but I could not give anything because dying roots, that is the stump is completed, just leftover roots part only. So I want to give, but I cannot give anything to you, nothing with me. The tree said, full of tears, full of sorrowful feeling. So for that, I do not need much now, just a place to rest. So I don't want anything much from you. I want just a place to rest, my dear tree. That the man said. So I am tired after all these years. So total my life, almost all these years, childhood days I spent the time, but later because of all these works I am completely tired. So now I want a place, quiet place to sit in and relax myself. That is I needed. More than that I don't want anything. That the man replied. So what happened? Good. Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come, sit down with me and rest. So the man sat down and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. So then, whenever this old man said, just a quiet place to sit in, that is enough to relax myself. Then immediately he came, the tree said, yes, very good, that it said, and it stretched a little bit. That means then a little bit it raises itself and said, yes, these old roots are the best place to sit. The best place to sit. So, and to sit, place to lean on. Lean on means to sit there. And come, sit down. Sit down with me and take rest. So, the tree welcomed him in the last part also as the seat. So now the man sat down and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. So when the man sat down there, the tree was very happy with tears. Everything it lost. So when this man was in childhood, at that time he spent the total day with this tree. And now again in his old age, he came to spend the time at the tree only. That's why the tree was very happy. And so now what is the moral here? The trees are all our nothing but parents. So the tree is like our parents. How? Can you imagine? Yes, whatever we want, everything was given by our parents only, right? Yes. When we were young, we loved to play with our mom and dad. When we grow up, we leave them, right? So in the childhood days, max we spend the time with our parents only, right? And gradually when we grown up, yes, later friends and jobs like this, completely we leave them, right? And so only come to them when we need something or when we are in trouble. So when can we remember our parents? When you get the job or when you settle in your life? Yes, whenever you need them or any problem happen, then only everyone remembering their parents. So no matter what, parents will always be there and give everything they could just to make you happy. Yes, parents, they know that everything, but they never feel about it. Whatever you want, everything they're ready to provide it. Their intention is as a parent, just they want to make you feel very happy. That's it. So you may think the boy is cruel to the tree, but that is how all of us treat our parents. So here in this lesson, what can we think? How cruel this boy is. He is taking everything from the tree, but he is not spending the time with the tree like that. You felt, na? Right? But how we are behaving with our parents, the same thing. The same thing. Whatever we request, whatever we need, we request our parents. Whenever it's completed, we forget about it. What did you give? Nothing you have given. Right? So, yes, we take them for granted. We don't appreciate all they do for us until it's too late. Until it's too late. So, we take everything from our parents. But do we appreciate them what they have given? No. We don't appreciate all they do for us. Yes, our parents, they do too much of hard work for us. Right? But are we appreciating them, how they are doing the hard work for us? No. So that is until it's too late, almost for the last, we never understand them till last. So that what we are doing to our parents. Here the tree, how it is, nothing but the tree's place, our parents are there. The man position, we are there. So think how your parents are offering everything, but in return what we are giving to them or what we are understanding them. Okay, ma? So that is the lesson we have. That is our lesson. That is a boy and a tree. That is our lesson, the boy and a tree. So understood this one? Did you understand the moral of it? Yes, very good.